Yes, yesterday we have seen the terms. Just revise it. The product of constant and variable is known as the term. Terms number વસ્તુ શું આવશે? It may be product of constant and variables. It may be 1, it may be 2, 3, whatever. Is known as the term. Thus, it is a combination of constant and variable. Just as for example, 4x. Yesterday I have seen 4 is your constant, x is your variable, and power is 1. That is your. Sometimes there is a constant terms also, which is means suppose 9. What is here variable? 0. X raised to 0. X raised to 0 is equal to 1. That means it is a constant term. It is a constant term. Sometimes more than one variable is 0. Is there? Is it like this way? 5x square y. How many variables are there? 2. X and y. What is the coefficient? 5. Get it? Coefficient of x square y is equal to 5. Like this way. Now, like term. For like term, you have to see two things. First, base. Second, power. The terms having base and power are equal are known as the like term. Yesterday we have seen that 9x and 5x. What is the power of this one? 1. What is the base? X. So 9x and 5y is a like term. Suppose I add here 4y. Is it a like term? No, because their base are different. Suppose I will take 5x square. Is it a like terms with this one? આ લોકોની સાથે આ 5x square like term છે નહીં. કેમ? Base same છે but power is different. So it is a not like term. Got it? समझ पड़ी है बराबर? Now I will take one example here. Identify the like term. Like term આમાં કયા છે તે આઈડેન્ટિફાઈ કરો. 7x 9x square y 8ab square c 5/2y square x 8xyz 9b square c square a 5b square c a 9xyz minus 5x minus 3/yx minus 5cb square 12 92x square y. Okay, first of all I will find the like term of this one. આનો like term કયો આવશે? we have to find the x whose power is 1. 7x and minus 5x. Okay, coefficients તમારા અલગ અલગ હોય તો ચાલે, બેઝ અને પાવર સરખા જોઈએ. 7x and minus 5x. That is your first answer. Second, 9x square y. Where is your 9x square y? This is, where is your 9x square y? Here yx square is that, not x square y. But 3 into 2 or 2 into 3 both are same. Communities properties. So this and this are the like term. 9x square y and minus 3/8 yx square. Second, 8ab square. Tell me. Chalo, kyo avse? Tell me. Wait, where is it? Yes, it is here. cb square a. If sequence is different, don't worry about it. Here a b square c. Here you are given c b square a. Base are same, power are same. So it is a like term. 8ab square c minus 5c b square a. Fourth one, 5/2. Now 5/2 y square x is 92x y square. 92 x y square. 8xyz. 8xyz. એની સાથે કોણ આવશે? It is slight term 8xyz square and 9xyz. Okay. 6. That is your constant term. 9 is your constant term. Where is your 9 constant term? Is 12. 7th. 9 b square c square a. કોની સાથે આવશે? It is not matched with any terms, so it is there is no like term of this one. 9b square c square with none of this one. Okay, I have taken the homework for you. This example, try yourself. It is very easy. Now you can, yesterday I also told you that you can add and subtract only like term. You cannot add and subtract no unlike term. Okay, expressions. Now type of expressions. Okay, expressions that contains only one term is called the monomials. જેના અંદર એક જ ટર્મ હોય એને આપણે શું કહેશું? Monomials. All these are monomials. This one. As for example, 3x. Two terms. Expression that contain two terms is called binomials. As for example, 5xy plus 3yz. How many terms are there? 2. 5xy plus 3. 5x plus 3yz. 3yz. How many terms are there? 2. So it is known as the binomials. Now, if expressions have 3 terms, suppose 2x square plus 5x plus 8 or 8y. How many terms are there? 3. So it is known as the trinomial. Okay, monoma 1, bioma 2 and trioma 3. If more than 3, it is also known as the polynomials. Okay, polynomials may also known as the monopolynomials, bipolynomials, like this way. In general, an expression containing one or more terms with non-zero coefficient with variable having non-negative integers as exponential is called the polynomials. Okay. Now, here I have taken few sums. Identify the terms of their terms and their coefficient. 5x square yz 36 y square. It is kya આવશે બોલો છો? Which one? It is a trinomials or the monomials? No, it is a binomials. Okay, now find the coefficient of x square yz is equal to which one? 5. Coefficient of x 36 y square is 36 itself. 36 itself. Okay. What is this? Which types of the terms is there? Which types of the expressions is there? Trinomials. It is trinomials. It has 3 terms, so it is a trinomials. Second, what is your coefficient of x? Tell me that. Coefficient of x is equal to 7. Coefficient of y is equal to 8. Now see here, coefficient of x raised to 0. X raised to 0 is equal to 1 is equal to 9. Be careful, it is also known as the constant term. 8x square plus 5y square z plus 8x plus 9. It is a polynomials. Okay. Coefficient of x square is equal to 8. Coefficient of x y square z is equal to 5. Coefficient of x is equal to 8 and coefficient of x raised to 0 is equal to 9. There is a constant term. Here there are totally 4 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So it is a polynomials. Now we will take the sums of some add. Add the polynomials. Add the expression. Add 9x plus 8 and 6x plus 5y plus 7. Write the like term below the like. 9x plus 6x plus 7 plus 5y. Y is not here, so you have to write like this one. Add it. So 9 plus 6, 15x. 8 plus 7, 15. 0 plus 5y, 5y. That is your answer. Very simple. You have to add this only coefficients. Okay. 8x square minus 5x plus 5 and 8x minus 9. 8x square minus 5x plus 5. Now 8x where I have to write? Here or here over here. Below this one. 8x minus 9 here. Add it. 8x square minus 5 plus 8 is equal to plus 3 x plus 5 minus 9 minus 4. Do you know this one? આ તમને આવડે છે ને? Suppose plus plus sign plus minus greater sign minus plus take the difference and greater sign minus minus do plus and sign is minus. Suppose 5 plus 4 9 plus 5 minus 4 difference is 1. Which one greater? 5. So plus 5 minus 5 plus 4. Which one greater? 5. Numerical greater. Minus 5 4 minus 1 minus 5 minus 4 minus 9. Be careful. Clear करजो बराबर. Okay. First of all, for this one, write the number which has the numerically greater its sign. જે numerical greater હોય તેની sign મૂકો. જો different sign હશે તો difference લઈ અને લખી દેવાનું અને જો same sign હોય તો plus કરી દેવાનું. Okay, that is the only way. Now, second example, I will 8xy plus 7yz minus 4zx and minus 5yz plus 9zx plus 4x. So 8xy plus 7yz minus 4zx minus 5yz I will put in here. Minus 9 plus 9zx plus 4x. So 2's place 0 plus 0. 8xy you have doing the plus 7 minus plus 2yz plus 9 minus 4 5zx plus 4x. That is your answer. Today we will do up to here, then I will find sums and do some homework. Tomorrow we will take the subtractions, then after we will